Atrium Family House Arkada 1 welcomes everyone who likes the proximity of nature. Moreover, the atrium in the middle of the house will create a private space in which you will not be disturbed by the views of your neighbors. This project of a family house with an atrium will also appeal to you because of the abundance of light in the interior. The internal layout of the house is divided into night and day parts, with both parts visually connected by an atrium. When you open the door to the house, you are greeted by a spacious hallway. The hallway is separated from the rest of the house by a sliding door. A day part of the house for anyone who loves lots of space. The social part of the house consists of a living room, connected to the kitchen. The windows and sliding doors to the terrace take care of the lighting of the space. The living room overlooking the garden will provide ample space for a sofa and a living wall. A fireplace situated in the corner of the room helps to create a relaxing atmosphere. The night part of the house is situated on the opposite side of the house as the day part, which creates privacy in each of the rooms. Not only during the morning rush you will appreciate 2 bathrooms, and a separate toilet at the entrance to the house. The Atrium Family House impresses with a pleasant environment in the middle of the house, where you can create a designer garden with a pond.